Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Come on, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining. I'm bye-bye money. Pandas. What do we have here now? Good morning, everybody. Thanks for joining. We're trading a Nascraq every single day. If you're just joining, make sure you scalp that like button. Also, drop a GM in the chat. Fatfish, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Pandas, there's news today. At 2 p.m., though. Pretty big news at 2 p.m. Pretty big news at 2 p.m. My goodness. The price action yesterday is just insane. Pandas, I think that goes to show you must stick hard and fast to the 3-loss differential rule. We're going to take a break from the Apex accounts and try the TPT accounts. The Take Profit Trader. Use code BBN for 50% off right now. We are going to try to pass some evals today. I needed one more trading day on my other eval that I passed. I needed one more trading day in order to turn it funded. But once it's funded, Pandas, it's over. You know, it's nice. Push down hard here. Market's about to open. 4 minutes. Man, are you ready? Are you ready? To make some bamboo. Mm. We'll wait till market opens. We'll wait till market opens. It's absolutely insane. The price action has just been terrible. But the best way to prevent busting your accounts from bad price action days is to have a hard stop. Yesterday we did not obey our hard stop, which is terrible. From now on, pandas, no matter what, hard stop, 3-loss differential. Pablo, welcome. Toad Man, welcome. You got toads and we got fishes. What else we got? What other animals we got here? Market about opening in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Push down.
2500 tick trap.
Hello. Launching back up.
$2,500 tick trap.
Mm-hmm. Whoa. Uh-huh. We're in this trade. Goodness gracious, move, please.
$2,500 tick trap.
Mm-hmm. Looking for at least a 1-to-1 here. There it is. There it isn't. What in the world? Got so close to the 1-to-1. We don't quite get there yet.
Target filled.
There it is. Easy peasy. Let's see if we get the 1-to-2. Let's see if we get the 1-to-2. Doesn't look like it. Does not look like it. I mean, 680. Not bad. That 1-to-1, and it takes you out break even, and it comes back down. You gotta love it. You gotta love when the runner gets smacked. Gets smished. There's a big gap on the 5-minute chart. From here to here. Gap from here to here. Just in case you don't know, green candles, the open is beneath the close. For red candles, the open is above the close. That's how you know which way it starts.
2500 tick trap.
You gotta look at the color. Oh, interesting. Okay. Another push down. Still bearish. Still underneath the 20 MA. 6 pushes down. We'll see though. We'll see. Okay. Interesting. At the end, glad I skunked it. Not skunked it, but you know, just sticking with the plan. Knowledge Hub, just Simpson. No, it's TPT. TPT. Take profit trader. Interesting. Okay. All right. Where's my fail second entry short here? Where is it? Come on. Come to Papa. Fail second entry short. I need it. There it is. Fail second entry short.
Target filled.
That fills instantly. I'll take it. Jeez Louise, I'll take that. It filled instantly. You gotta love those. I can't make too much money. You can't make too much money here. Right? The max you can make to abide by the 50% consistency rule is 1,500. But can't make too much money. Gotta make just enough. Just enough money here. I think we're going to hit this. It's building up for something. I just don't want to make too much money. You don't want to make too little money either. Wow, I'm surprised it didn't hit after that spike up. After that break of this high, I'm surprised it didn't hit this target. Pretty surprised here. 272. Okay, now we're gonna hit it. Pretty certain. Or not. We're going very sideways here. It is what it is. It's $100 more from here. I think this is a good spot. I think it's a good spot. This is really sideways. I mean, if you want to talk about choppy, this is choppy. This is the definition of choppy. Oh, darn. Looks like we're not going to hit it. It's a shame. I mean, it's so choppy. It might just stay here. Ooh, hopefully. Okay, that is what it is. Jeez, all right. I'm very surprised it didn't hit that target. It wanted one more spike back down, maybe one more pullback here. I'm not sure. Very surprised it didn't hit that target. We're about 400 away from hitting max on these accounts. Gotta love it. You gotta love it when the price action actually makes sense. Jeez Louise. But this choppiness is concerning for me in terms of what kind of day we might have. We might have a choppy day. After seeing this much chop here like that, it could be a very choppy day. We got turtle toes, we got turtles, we got fishes, we got toads. Anything else? Any other animals, pandas? Might push back, it may not. Whoa, that's a pretty big spike down. Very interesting. I'm surprised we didn't fill the gap, right? There's a gap on the 5-minute chart. We didn't quite fill it. I thought we were going to fill it with that push up, but we obviously did not. This looks like a pretty strong push down. Honestly, pretty strong push down to me. All right. Second entry long on the 5-minute chart forming. After such a strong push down, you're expecting one more push down. But this right here, I would be concerned about this for like the entire day. You don't get this much overlap like this unless the market's trying to tell you something. Like this area could be a magnet for the entire day. The market basically found like balance here. And I wouldn't be surprised if we like just come back to this area like all day. This cluster right here. Second entry short forming. I'll wait for it. Okay. We're like Noah's freaking ark. Freaking. Friggin'. It's not even freaking, it's friggin'. Good morning, Pans. We just scalp that like button. We're on our TPT accounts right now. Taking a break on our Apex accounts. If you guys don't know what TPT is, Take Profit Trader. My experience with them so far, it's been okay. Okay, pushes down. Interesting. We are pushing down. We are testing the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart, bouncing off of it. You're thinking a new low here. You're thinking new low here. Right. The 2500 tick chart needs to look like a new low will be created. It's currently choppy though. It's currently turning to market, limit order market. Okay. Still limit order market. But new low seems like the target. Like what's going to happen here? So it seems like what happened. Still limit order market. Looking for that new low still, but still limit order market. If you're looking for a new low, probably the best way to enter is going short somewhere up here. Okay.
$2,500 tick trap.
Okay. 5-minute, second entry long perhaps. Okay. Absolute trash right now.
Five-minute trap.
Second entry long on the 5-minute chart, but it looks choppy. But it looks like it could come back to this like this area here, which I think will be a magnet. Like any trade that goes towards here, I'm kind of like inclined to take. Big bear bar, any on his low. Interesting. Only problem trading 5-minute setups is that the risk is big. It's taking a second entry long on the 5-minute chart. Okay. I guess I gotta try this, but doesn't make any sense to me. I gotta try here, but doesn't make much sense to me. I can't. I'm skipping it. Trap triggers on 2500 tick chart. 2500 right trap triggers here. You're thinking new low, clearly underneath the 20 MA. Could flush. Could flush. Just the 5-minute though is just makes it sus, right? That trade. There's not much confidence in 5-minute charts just above the 20 MA. It just looks floating. I don't know. I'd feel more comfortable if we're underneath the 20 MA on the 5-minute chart to take that trade, but we're not. I'd feel way more comfortable if on the 5-minute chart we were underneath the 20 MA. Okay, interesting. Okay. Pretty much making inside bar on the 5-minute chart. Okay. Lower high underneath the 20 MA still, 5-minute chart. Or 500 tick. I don't know. This one's tough. I think it was one contract. I feel I'm going to lose this trade. Okay, looks like he wants to make that new low. Alright, fair enough. It looks like he wants to make that new low now. Right, this is like a third attempt down. If it doesn't do it here, it's too late. It really is too late if it doesn't do it here. Underneath the 20 MA though. If it doesn't do it here, it's, you know, yeah, there it is. That breakdown took forever. Goodness gracious. That took forever, that breakdown. My goodness. It is what it is, though. It looks like it's breaking down. Do I just jump in always in short here? I could. I certainly could. I certainly could. Let me try. Go for like 10 points. What a bounce. What an insane-o bounce. V bottom? Is that what we're doing here? Wow. Always in shorts just got smashed. Always in shorts just got smashed. Look at the 2500 tick chart. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Absolutely no follow through. It's insane. Actually insane. My goodness. Guess we're going long. Looking for a bear trap, I guess. I guess. Okay. Could be able to push down, break down, retest. Right, could be like this. Retest. Breakout, retest of that breakout area. Second entry short, maybe? Okay trade here. It looks like, depends on how high we go here. Depends on how high we go. As long as we're still beneath the breakout area, I would consider going short here. But now we're breaking above that breakout area. Like, do you think this is a good trade? Obviously not, right? Look at this signal bar. It's too terrible, and we're coming back into this area. So it kind of looks like a bear trap. This 2500 tick chart looks like a bear trap here. Alright, let's try. It's a juicy looking setup. It's a really juicy looking setup. It's a failed breakout. Failed breakdown. Okay, now we're coming back down. Now we're coming back outside. Could be just a breakout retest. Tough to say. Now that's a hard long to take. Goodness gracious. Okay, we're in. Uh-oh. Whoa! I don't want to make too much money again. 500. 8 points. That's all I want. All right, perfect. Whoa! I'm coming out break even here. If it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. Wow. What a tease.
Target filled.
What are we? Wow, we made a little too much money, Pandas. Little too much sauce there. But we hit max. A little too much sauce there. But we hit max. Question is, Pandas, do you want to try to lose a little bit of money here? Well, let me see. If 50%, that means I need to make 3,100, $3,090. 3,090 is not too bad. It's almost not worth trying to lose money here. You know what? I'm going to try to lose a little bit. I'm going to try to lose a little bit here. I need to lose like 5, not even 5 ticks. I wouldn't mind losing 5 ticks here. Five ticks. I gotta basically lose like 2 or 3 ticks. Or sorry, 2 or 3 points. Like 3 points. 2 points basically. If I lose 2 points, that's it. That's all I need. I need a 2-point loss. You need to lose 2 points here. Goodness gracious. It's dropping like a rock. Just need to lose 2 points here, Pandas. 2 points. I think I can lose 2 points. I've lost hundreds of points before. I think 2 points, no problem. I can lose it. I just make a little too much money today, right? On the take profit, you don't want to make more than 1,500. You don't want to make more than 1,500. Yikes. All right. Okay. Would have made a lot more money there than I needed to. Okay, I still think this trade is viable. It's a second entry long on the 5-minute chart. Just need to lose 2 points. Let me change this profit to just 8. That's all I need. Wait, not profit. I need to make the stop loss. 8. 2 points. 2 points is good. 2 points is good. Alright, now how do I lose money here, Pandas? How do I actually lose money here? What's a good trade to lose money in? Just keep opening and close. Actually, it's weird because there's no commissions. There's no commissions. For the test accounts, there's no commissions. But maybe I could just lose on a spread. Keep opening, closing, opening, closing. Two points. That's fine. Technically, I should lose like 9 ticks. 9 ticks. I lose 9 ticks here. I should just bot here, huh? Just open, close contract. No, like I said, the weird thing is on these test accounts, right? These are TPT test accounts. There's no commissions. It's weird. Ooh. Buy here. OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. Buy here, sell up here. I think I could lose 2 points. Take profit trader. We're taking a break on our Apex accounts. But take profit trader, if you guys don't know, the reason why I want to try them is because they have zero consistency rules when it comes to the funded accounts. So we got one account that's funded. Lose it. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, we're good. Okay. That's perfect. That's exactly what you want. That's exactly what you want. All right, we're good. We're good. It's exactly what you wanted. We just lost enough, and it kind of bounced back up. I'm a little curious to see what happens here. I need to make $5 now. I've fallen for this trick before. I'm not doing it again. YL. So I want to try the TPT account. The TPT, I have a funded TPT account, but I need one more trading day, so tomorrow it'll be funded. And you can crank them. You're literally betting on a windfall trade. And I'm just gonna go max contracts, go one way, see what happens, pandas. We ride it. We ride or die, you know what I mean? Doesn't matter how much money we make. We can just make $5,000 and then we can withdraw it the very next day. That's TPT. That's like the benefit TPT. Okay, again, I mean, I'll go over it again. Apex versus TPT. I mean, I like both. Apex, these are like the good things about Apex that TPT does not have. Apex, you can do 20 accounts. You can open 20 accounts, which is the most powerful thing when it comes to trading. 20 accounts is insane. With TPT, you can open only max 5 accounts. Apex is also cheaper. All in, you're spending about $100, right? With the activation fee plus the eval fee, it's about $100 to get funded. TPT, it's double that, $200. With 50% off, it's around $200. So you're gonna pay about $200, but right, you got the funded account or the test account costs $85 to 50Ks, and the activation fee is $130. So you got a $130 activation fee, and it's all in about $200. What else? Apex, you can trade a little more contracts. On the 50K, you can trade up to 10 contracts. On the 50K for TPT, you could trade only 6 contracts max. The evals are harder on TPT. So there's actually a consistency rule on the eval for TPT, which is insane. They actually make the evals harder than the funded accounts, which is crazy. But that's how it is. I guess it kind of makes sense because they want to actually figure out who can actually trade before they fund you. And that's another bad thing. Also, they take commissions. When you withdraw from Apex, you can keep up to 100% of the first 20K. Whereas TPT, you can only, the moment you withdraw the first withdrawal, they already skim off 20%. 20% off the top, so you only keep 80%. So those are all the bad, I guess, all the things and negatives of TPT versus Apex. But the number one thing that TPT has over Apex is that there's
2,500
zero
tick trap.
consistency rules when it comes to funded accounts. The only things you can't do are essentially news trade. You can't do news trading. But other than that, you're free to do whatever you want. All right. I mean, in that case, I am going to trade another. I'm going to try to pass another eval, or I'm trying to get max on another eval here for TPT. This is new TPT counts here. So that's like that's probably the best thing. That and one one day to withdraw. Like you don't need to have 10 days of trading. You can withdraw after 1 day. So literally, when it comes to the funded account, you're actually trying to find windfall trades. That's what you're trying to. You have positive EV if you quote unquote gamble and try to find a huge trade just on the first day. Just max contracts, try to go crazy. That's like actually I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna do max trades on the first day. I probably want to just trade a little bit, get my feet wet, and see if there's a really good day. If there's a really good setup, then I'll do max contracts. But yeah, that's the thing. There are no consistency rules. So I'm curious to see how the experience will be for TPT when there's zero consistency rules. Passing evals, that's
2,500
probably the
tick trap.
hardest part when it comes to TPT, which is, for Apex, you can just trade the news. With TPT, you can trade the news, but the thing is, you don't want to make too much money, right? You have to hit only 50%. That's a consistency rule. So you see, that's what's going to bankrupt TPT. So TPT has a couple things in place. They have the 80% or the 20% commissions off top. Also, their funding accounts are a little more expensive to get funded. It does cost a little bit more money. I'm trying to find information on these pro accounts. I know, so they have this thing called Pro and like Pro Plus, I believe. And I'm trying to find, I asked questions about this. I don't know why I cannot find this chat that was in. Oh, interesting. Very interesting. Okay. All right, here it is. I asked questions about the pro account. It says, all right, I'll just read it. It says, once you are on the pro account, which is the funded account, just another word for the funded account, there is no minimum days required before withdrawing your profits.
2,500 tick trap. $2,500 tick trap.
So confusing. I don't understand this. It's buffer zone. 50% of the buffer zone. You can withdraw 50% of the buffer zone. I don't understand that. If you wish to withdraw from the buffer zone, you can do so after closing your pro account. If you have traded your account for less than 60 trading days, you can withdraw. Oh, I see. Okay. Very interesting. So, they have a safety net. So you cannot withdraw past the safety net, which is essentially the threshold amount. So the 50Ks, you cannot withdraw on the pro accounts. You cannot withdraw into, like, once you get past. So you need to make $2,000 to withdraw. Once you get $2,000, you cannot withdraw beyond the $2,000. You can withdraw anything above that, but you cannot withdraw anything below that. If you do want to withdraw anything like into the buffer zone, then what you have to do is essentially close your account. You're saying, I don't want to trade these accounts anymore. I want to withdraw this money. I want my money. And you can only withdraw up to 50% of that, that buffer zone. Ooh, hello. Only 50% of the buffer zone. If you want to what's it called? If you want to withdraw, sorry, I'm trying to get into this trade here. We got Big Mama coming up here. I think it'll be enough we need 12.5 points for Big Mama to hit max with 6 contracts, right?
2,500 tick trap.
1,500 divided by 6 divided by 20. 12.5 points, all right. That's all we need. What's 12.5 points? 40, 48, 50, you need 50 ticks. 50 ticks here, Pandas. That's all we want. That's all we want, Pandas. 50 ticks. That's all we want. So, as I was saying, you cannot withdraw beyond the $2,000. Don't they ban you for that? Like, you can't open any more evals? I'm not sure. They didn't mention anything about being banned from that. But the thing is, like, if they do ban you, you can withdraw from that buffer zone up to 50%. So you can, pull out. Let's say you make $2,001, you can pull out. You can withdraw $1 essentially. But if you want to, you can withdraw within the buffer zone. So $1,100, 50% to the buffer zone. But again, that's only if you want to close your accounts. I don't know if they ban you for that. I don't know anything about that. I can ask them though. I don't know about the banning. We're looking for Big Mama here, and it looks juicy. Let's see. Quite juicy here. Okay. Second just short. Huh. I'm pushing up pretty hard here. Second just short. Trap trade. Do I want the trap trade? No. We're in a downtrend. And it's not a reversal area. If I saw this setup after touching the low, I would be interested. But this is not a reversal area in my opinion. It could be. Maybe close to here, but it is what it is. If this launches back up, it is what it is. I'm just going to watch it go up. If it reverses here, so be it. I don't know. Downtrend looks too strong for me to go long here, to be honest. It does push up a little bit. So that's the difference. That's why we're trading TPT. We're trying TPT. We're going to see what the experience is like. Having zero consistency rules and funded accounts. But they do make it difficult because you first have to make the $2,000, which we can make in like a day. But you can only withdraw beyond that $2,000, so you need a safety net, which makes it honestly difficult. And it protects them, right? It's like more safeguards for TPT. But I'm telling you, with 6 contracts, if you just find a windfall trade, ooh, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You can make so much money in one day.
500 tick trap.
But you gotta find like the major trend reversal. You gotta find like the serious major trend reversal. Second, just short. Okay, on the 2500 tick. Inside bar again on the 5-minute chart. That trap fails, right? So good thing we skipped it. Ultimately good that we skipped it.
2500 tick trap.
But that a double trap fails. Well, we'll see. Looks like it's gonna fail. Yeah, it fails. Interesting. Big push up. After it, that's really tricky, right? The trap triggers, the trap fails, right? Takes you out here. And then it goes up. Super frustrating. So TPT just allows you to trade however you want. You can trade however you want, no, but they make it difficult with like all the safeguards they put in withdrawing. First off, they take 20% off the top. Second off, they have a safety net. Safety net essentially. So you got safety net to work with, you got the commissions to work with. Other than that, pandas, not much. I mean, there's a trailing threshold. So for the pro accounts, there's a trailing threshold. For the test accounts, it's only an end of day threshold. It's trailing, but it's end of day. So they only consider whatever your account balance or your profits are, your P&L at the end of the day, not the highest, right? Unrealized gains intraday, which is the trailing threshold for the pro accounts. Curious to see though. Loco, Apex safety net, yes, they also have safety net. Absolutely, you're right. So in that regard, they're the same. But I'm just saying it's just another safeguard that take profits that puts in, just like Apex, a safeguard that they have. Well, we'll see. The problem is like it's gonna be difficult for a lot of people to pass the TPT accounts. Like I think it's gonna be very difficult for a lot of people to pass it.
2,500 tick trap.
I'm on the 50K accounts. I kind of like the 50K accounts right now. Second inch is short on the 2,500 tick chart. Hard to go short though against this kind of bar, this bull bar, such a strong bull bar. Plus, you got this outside bar reversal as well. All red flags when it comes to trying to go short there. 2,500 tick. I'm skipping it, but we'll see.
2,500 tick
It's a good
trap.
signal bar. 2,500 tick chart. I'll give you that. It's a really nice signal bar. It does trigger second to short. Are we gonna trap here? I don't know. I just want the big mama here. Yeah, let's wait for big mama. TBH, if you take trading serious, you can really milk TPT. Yeah, you absolutely could. Like honestly, like every single day, any profits you make, just keep withdrawing. Even if it's like $10, you withdraw $10. You just keep withdrawing. Anything that's above $2,000, just keep withdrawing from it. But that 20% commissions is pretty big. It's pretty big. If you think about it, it's like if you withdraw $5,000, then that's, jeez,
5-minute
it's
trap.
$1,000 from 5,000. Jeez. Look at Top Step. By the way, there is a Ninja Trader like competition or something. I'm gonna try it. There's a Ninja Trader competition.
$2,500 tick trap. Nah, Top Step is trash. I'm looking at Top Step rules. There is just absolute trash. Take Profit's definitely better than Top Step. And I'm glitching out. Sorry, that's my face. $20% commission. No, it's 5K actually. Once your account hits $5,000, at least from what I've read, it's five. Once you hit $5,000 on your account, you can turn to Pro Plus. But again, what happens is that $5,000 gets locked up. You can't withdraw from it. You can only use it as margins to trade with, like threshold. So your $5,000 gets locked up, but the benefit is, right, it's risk reward. Like you're 90-10. It turns to 90-10. That's the best part about it. But if you think about it, withdrawing from 5,000, so that means you can withdraw $3,000, or what's like the payoff there? 3,000. So if you pull out the full 3,000, then you only get 80% of it, 2,400. $2,400. So that means that 10%, that you're making, you got to make up for $2,400. So what is that? Is it divided by 0.9, or how's that work? Divided by So you have to make $24,000 in order to make that worth it. I think my math might be wrong, but I believe you need to make $24,000 to make that worth it, right? Because you're leaving $2,400 on the table. Wait, let me think.
5-minute trap.
Yeah, you're leaving $2,400 on the table. And to make up for that, I guess you just need to make $2,400. Or actually, yeah, let me do this. I believe you only need to make $2,400 to make up for that. Okay, I see. So 2,400 is 0.9 of what? Okay. You have to make $2,666. You need $2,666 on top of that to basically cover the money you lost that you could have gained, I guess. The strat for TPT might just be DCA with micros. Actually, not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. DCA is very like quote unquote safe. DCA with micros. At least come out break even on your trades. But you will hit a strong trend day and you will bust your accounts. It's just a matter of time. It'll happen probably within 10 days. You will bust your accounts eventually. I mean, you still need to abide by some rules. Well, you should long on Apex and short on TBT, and one of those accounts will win. Low-key genius. Low-key genius. Go long and short on two different platforms. Actually, you could do that. They wouldn't know. They couldn't talk to each other. But you got the consistency rules in Apex. You need to find another prop firm that has zero consistency rules. Just go max contracts. I mean, it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to work because, the market may go nowhere and you might get stopped out on both. The only time that's very good is with news. Unless you have like a area that will create crazy volatility. Usually, major trend reversals, breakouts, right? Those kind of setups. Also, you gotta figure out the day. The day has to be trending. Like today, it's not trending. It's very choppy. So if you went long and short on like a day like this, you could bust both accounts. Could happen. But you know what? It's not that bad of an idea. I'm gonna say it. Because prop firms don't talk to each other. They're not gonna know if you go long in one and short in the other. Actually, low key genius. We might have a scam ready. Like we might have a scam just boiling up here, perhaps. I'm not gonna do it, but I'm just saying it could be done. It'd be very hard to detect. Apex is a little difficult because of the consistency rule, so you can't really take advantage of that. But if you find another prop firm with no consistency rule, I'm just saying it's not a bad idea. Could have something here. I'm kind of scared. I feel like some people will try it. Listen, Panda, you and me full port long. Short TPT will split 50-50. Let's do it. Let's just do it. Just do it. The question is, can you pass a TPT account? That is the heart of the matter. You need to pass TPT first.
2,500 tick trap.
We'll get a Discord going. See how many people want to participate. We'll go 50-50 on everyone. Gotta designate people to go long, people to go short. Loco, just passed my third. Loco, are you using code BBM for 50% off? Please tell me you're using code BBM. By the way, Pandas, use code BBM for 50% off TPT. For Apex, 80% off right now. The promo's going to end on Friday for Apex. So make sure you take advantage of it. I'm loaded up on evals with Apex. This is launching back up. Kind of back to that area that I thought it would. Kind of coming back to this area that I thought. Whoa! What just happened, Pandas? What just happened? That was crazy. What in the world was this launch? Wow. First thing I didn't, but these have the past couple of those I've had. Whew! Appreciate it. I used to think BBM meant something totally different. Wait, what? Alright, this is still going up. What in the world? A little small pullback here. I think we might come back into that area. We saw all this overlap. Might come back in there. Second entry long setting up here. Long. Was it a Trump tweet? Did he say the word tariff? Or taking off tariffs? Inside bar, 2500 tick chart. What in the world is going on here? Alright, I'll try with 3.
2,500 tick trap.
I'm in this tray. Oh! Okay. I don't think I ever lost a trade as fast as I just lost that trade. That must have been the fastest losing trade in all of history. I don't think I've ever lost a trade that quick in my life. Wow, that was something else. Surely something else. 3 contracts. What's the point of even trading? I'm glad I only did 3 contracts. I would have busted those accounts. Alright. Okay. What in the world is going on here?
$2,500 tick trap.
I've never lost a trade so fast. I think that was a record. I've never lost a trade that quickly in my life. I believe. No, I'm on another TPT account. I'm trying to pass. I'm trying to not pass, but I'm trying to. Well, I am trying to pass, but I'm trying to get to max. I'm trading another TPT account. I'm trading these TPTs one by one here. We already hit max on one of them. We've passed one. We're gonna try to pass another. We're gonna try to hit max again here. All right, I'm ready for a freaking catapult here, pandas. I'm ready for a catapult into outer space. We need 22.5 now. I'm ready for a catapult into the outer space. Into the space that is outer. Outside space. Let's get it. Trying to get to that outside space. Can we do it? It's not going the direction I thought it was going to go. In fact, it is doing the opposite. Complete opposite. Whew. We let that one be. We let that one be. It is what it is. We're down 630. It's been a while since I busted a TPT account. Very interesting. Had a huge spike up. Now a deep pullback.
$2,500 tick trap.
Oh, eye pattern on the 2500 tick chart. Is it strong enough though? I don't know. Is it strong enough? Oh, eye pattern. I'm gonna say no. It looks choppy. I don't know. Unless we're hit with a fail second to short here. Maybe I'll try. Oh yeah. I don't know. I don't feel confident enough to go max here. Unless we get a trap trade here. If we get trapped, then I'll be interested. Yikes. I'll try, I guess. I don't feel good about it, though. Do not feel good about this at all. Four, five. I don't know about this one. Yeah, dumb trade. Very dumb trade. I didn't think it would be strong. Oh, still viable. Still viable here. If we can trigger this trap, that would be excellent. Okay. Showing signs of life here. Okay, triggered a trap. Could be great. Could be onto something here. Probably last trade of the stream. Let's see if we can get something here. Shoryuken! Shoryuken! Okay. Not much happened. I thought we were going to get something much bigger. And I got an OI pattern on the 5-minute chart as well. Break into the upside. Right. It's an OI pattern. Outside, inside bar. Break into the upside. Multiple time frames. Showing the same setup. Some confluence across time frames. We got a trap also. 500 tick chart. Doesn't look good though. Shooting for the stars, Panda. Shooting for the stars. Okay, another push up. Can we get it? Is this the one? It's not looking too good, to be honest. It's looking weak. Very weak. Very small pushes up right now. If anything, it looks like about a fail. Lots of small bars, lots of overlap here. Okay, we get a nice push up here now. Has to be bigger than that. Much bigger than that. This being the last trade and all on the stream, let's just see what happens. Either we bust these accounts or we hit max. One or the other. No in between, right, pandas? We don't live in a land in between. Go big, go home. That's all we believe in. Okay. Still trickling. It's not really doing much. As long as it keeps making new highs, I'm happy. Whoa! Are we actually going to hit it, pandas? Are we actually going to hit our target here? It's just like trickling upwards. Such a grind right now. Whoa, pandas. Okay. Double top, perhaps. I don't know what's happening here. Something's cooking, though. Something's cooking. Something's definitely cooking here. Take my profits, go home. All right. This can be disastrous here, but we'll find out. Whoa! Whoa! Almost hit our target here. Very close.
Target filled.
We made too much money. I miscalculated that like crazy. I realized I gotta lose a little money here now, pandas. I gotta lose like $120. Ooh, that's not easy to lose. I gotta lose a little bit of money here. I'm just gonna go buy. I'm gonna buy. Uh-oh. I'm making too much money. I need to lose like a little bit here. Need to lose a little bit here. Uh-oh. I'm gonna switch it.
Target filled.
Oh boy. I'm making way too much money. I need to lose 300. I need to lose 300 right now. Let's lose a scalp real quick. I'm trying to counter trend trade right now. Eventually I'm gonna lose money, right? Eventually I'm gonna lose money. I gotta lose like 300. If I keep counter trend trading, I'll eventually lose money, right? Right now I'm trying to lose 300. I made too much money. I made more than max. You really don't want to make more than max. It's really unfortunate. This is when I follow your trades when you try to lose money. That's the secret. Okay, I actually may lose this. All right, 1620. Okay, let's keep going short. Kind of like I said, this area might be that key area I mentioned a while back. This cluster of candles, I felt like could be a magnet for us today. We're selling at the strong bull bar. Selling. $2,500 tick chart. Right, just sell at the top of a strong bull bar. Always in long. Doing the opposite of what the market's doing right now. Trying to do the opposite. Going to counter trend trade as much as possible. Counter trend trade wide stop. Could be worth it. I need to lose like just 10 more points here. Okay, I don't want to make too much money. If this is the ultimate reversal, that would be horrid. I'm a little bit confused. What do I have to do here? Do I have to keep selling into this uptrend? Okay. So I'm gonna sell again here. It's confusing. I'm gonna sell again here. Sell here. I hope this doesn't do like a full-blown reversal. That would be stanky. That'd be very stanky. I need to lose as much money as possible. I'm trying to counter trend trade. Oh boy. I'm making way too much money here. We're gonna double it up. Oh shoot. Doesn't make sense. Double it up here. Counter trend trade as much as possible. Second entry long. I'm gonna try to go short on the second entry long. There's no trailing threshold, pandas, which is a good thing. There's no trailing threshold for the test accounts. There's no threshold, no trailing threshold intraday. They only care about the end of the day P&L. So I can make like $1 bajillion here. My threshold won't be affected. That's what I'm hoping. We don't make $1 bajillion. Almost fills me there. Doesn't quite fill me. Almost fills me. I feel like it will though. There it is. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is why I don't like take profit. I don't know where I don't know where. All right. It just takes a long time. It's weird. I mean, I guess I can make $1 bajillion. Doesn't really matter. I have another scale in. I'm on a mission to lose like a bunch of money here, and I cannot lose money right now. But I cannot lose too much. I need to only lose like I need to lose like $160. 8 points. Just need 2 points here. I just need to lose that much money. I need to lose that much. That's all I need. I need to come back up and make me lose this much. Otherwise, I'm just making $1 bajillion here. No matter what, I gotta lose money. I just cannot. I cannot be making this much money on this account. This is a this is also, it doesn't matter, right? There's no trailing threshold. This is most people will start copying my trades when I actually try to lose. Just no matter what, you're always wrong when it comes to trading. Where should my next scale in be? I don't even know. Are we down here? 20 EMA, 5-minute chart. Six contracts, lose $160. I just need to lose $160 and I've made 1,000 by accident. I just need to lose $160. I made $1,000 by accident. You gotta love trading sometimes. Just need like 1 point with 6 contracts. Whoo! What a trade. I'm making so much money, it's ridiculous. It's almost weird. The Costanza strategy. Is that from Seinfeld? What's the Costanza strategy? We are making... Oh, wait. I just did something weird. I did something very weird. I'm in a long trade now. Whoops, I did not mean to do... Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I basically got out of my trades.
Target filled.
I made a boo-boo. I made too much money. I need to sell here. That's right. I need to sell here. That's right. Not buy. It's so confusing, pandas. Oh my gosh. Can I please lose some money? Can I please lose some money here? Uh-oh. This is what you wanted to happen on your funded accounts. This is like exactly what you wanted to happen on your funded accounts. This is not what you want to happen on your... I've already... Oh my god. I made $5,000. I'm up $5,000 right now. I'm up $5,000 right now on my accounts. I can't scale in anymore. This is the max I can scale in. I can't scale in anymore, pandas. I've made so much money, it's ridiculous. I can't get out of this trade. I've made so much money. It's crazy. I'm making so much money. Please come back up all the way. Like all the way. I made so much money. I don't know. It really is funny. You gotta. When I want to lose money is when you start. This is when you start copying my trades. I've made so much money. It's ridiculous. I caught the top perfectly. How hard is that to do when you actually try to do it? How easy is it to do when you don't try to do it? What in the world, pandas? How do I lose $3,000 from here? Wait, I have to lose... I'm up 5,315. Oh, this it might reverse here. We might get a little reversal here. It's such a strong push down. You're thinking follow through though. How do I lose $3,500? 29 points from here. $29. Say this. If we come up here, we're good. Second to short triggers, this might push down hard. Well, I think at a certain point, you gotta just take the profits. You gotta just take the hit. I just win at everything. I win so good, I can't even lose when I try. I win when I win even though I'm trying to lose. I made so much money. I need this to come back up here. Like, thank goodness it's not a trailing threshold, right? Or intraday trailing threshold. It's an end of day trailing threshold, so it doesn't matter how much money I make. Doesn't matter how much. Well, it doesn't matter how much money you lose. You can bust your accounts, but it doesn't matter how much money you make without your threshold won't be affected. So I gotta do this today. Like I have to lose this money today. So like I gotta do whatever I can to lose money. Like eventually I'll start losing money, right? Like it's just I've never. Well, I won't say I've never, but it's like whenever you do something that requires probabilities, it's just eventually you will lose. You will lose, right? Oh, okay, this is coming back up. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I need to come back. I need this to come all the way back up. Okay. Here we go. Pandas. Pandas. We're on to something here. I need to lose about 1,500 from here. $12.5 points from here, essentially. Yeah, it's like more or less in this area. It's hard to predict exactly what I need to lose. 3,100. I think this is good. I think this makes sense here. I still need to lose 1,500. Okay. Okay. Pandas. I think we're onto something. Remember, pandas, we're trying to lose money. We're trying to lose a little bit of money here. V bottom, essentially. Insane V bottom. Thank goodness for V bottoms. Are we all happy V bottoms exist? Whoa, pandas! That was one of the weirdest experiences. Because you're there rooting for me to lose money. Isn't that weird? And I lost enough money and now I'm actually happy. Like it's the weirdest feeling. I need to lose $50 more. Is it worth it though? I could lose $50 more, right? I'm gonna sell into this. I'm gonna sell into the next break. I'm gonna sell at the next break, and I need to just make. I just need to make like. I just need to lose barely any money here. Uh-oh. Okay, I think that's good. 15-10 pandas. Not too shabby. 15-10, I'll take it. We did great today. We basically hit max on two TPT accounts. How crazy is that? How crazy is that? We hit max on 2 TPT accounts. All right, let me guys do it again one more time. We were good. Goodness gracious, what price action are we seeing here? I know I'm over 10. Don't say anything. I'm not. Nope. Nope. $10 is fine. $10 is absolutely fine. Okay, fine. I'm pretty sure it doesn't keep going up here. Okay. To lose $10, I need to lose like one tick. It's like one tick. One tick. I just need to lose one tick. I believe it's $10. No. It's half a point. What am I talking about? It's half a point. Because it's $20 per point. So I need 2 ticks. I need to lose 2 ticks, pandas. That's it. I could lose 2 ticks. No problem.